Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your own homemade barbecue sauce. Begin by measuring ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, and spices. Warm in a saucepan over low heat while whisking to dissolve sugar. Taste and adjust with more vinegar for tang or brown sugar for sweetness. Cool completely before bottling in a clean jar. Store in the fridge and shake before each use for best consistency. Start by choosing a base like ketchup or tomato sauce and decide your sweetener, such as brown sugar or maple. Add vinegar for brightness and a pinch of salt to round flavors. Layer in spices gradually and simmer so flavors marry, tasting as you go. Remember, a small hit of heat lifts the sauce, so add chili flakes or hot sauce sparingly at first. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making cooking tips you enjoy. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth gave me practical thinking about money and time, which pairs nicely with slow, thoughtful cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab it if you want a smart, simple read. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat and timing to get the right texture and depth of flavor. Simmer on low while stirring so sugars do not scorch and thickness develops naturally. If too thin, simmer longer to reduce. If too thick, thin with water or apple juice. Taste often and tweak acidity, sweetness, or heat until the sauce complements your protein of choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.